Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, we are on our way to the cruise ship. See you on board. It's freezing here. Hello, I'm on the ship. Solo travel tip. Let's book our theater shows. Well, we're gonna get it started. I do have a 9:30 show this evening. Well, that show was amazing. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, we are on our way to the cruise ship. So I just finished having some great breakfast here in my hotel, and I am waiting on my driver to come get me to take me to the port. I'll see you on board. It's freezing here, but we'll soon be in some good, warm, hot weather. Ship. We are here, and I am about to load on and get on this ship. I am so excited. So I'm just getting on the ship, and I'm about to go find my muster station. They say it's B as in boy, so it's on this height. So while it's not too crowded, let me go and find my muster station. Be here without a lot of people. It's usually very, very crowded. It's gonna get crowded after a while, I'm sure. Well, my room is not quite ready yet, so I'm going to relax right here. This is the 8th floor, and there is place for me to sit down. And even though I could go in my room and put my bags down and go grab some cappuccino and really get it started, they were in my room actually vacuuming. So the rooms aren't quite ready yet. They made an announcement that the rooms wouldn't be ready until 1:30. So this is just the opportunity to go and put your bags down and explore the ship until your room gets ready. So I'm gonna sit here just for a few minutes until they finish literally being inside my room, and I'll put my bags down and then go explore the rest of the ship. Hi, this is me. I'm arriving at my door. It is still in process, but the process is, I get my key. My key is hanging right off the door, and I grab it, and I have my key. Oh my goodness, I just got off the ship in October for my birthday, and Irene is here again. Say hello, Irene. Hello. Irene took care of me last time, and she's going to take care of me this trip. This is my first time in an interior room, so oh my goodness, this is my first time seeing an interior room. And it looks fine, just fine. I'm kind of spoiled with the balcony. But here it is. I'm in my room a little early because they're still cleaning it. But this is my interior cabin. I know many of you are telling me, oh, make sure you do a cabin tour, room tour. So let's just do that real quick. I know they're still cleaning. But here, these are the overhead lights here. Oh, and in the suite too. Very good. Just like in my other room. These are the lights for here. These keep the room lights. Let me turn this light on. There we go. Some more light. And we see the different ports here for charging. Those are the European outlets. So we do have 2 outlets here for my use. Let's check out this bathroom. I don't think that they have finished cleaning it. And look, this girl has a silver card this time. Yay! This is the bathroom. You've seen it a dozen times on the other cruises. Nice and spacious. If you have to get in here and clean up and stock with towels and everything, I'm just here in the way. Here is my closet space. The safe and 2 drawers, plenty of hangers, and a top shelf. And now it's time to unpack. All right, let's go and check out the Broadway shows while we are still early and still on the ship. And then I'm gonna grab something to eat. And look how close. Let me show you. Look how close I am to the elevator. Remember, solo travel tip, always get a cabin very, very close to the elevator. It avoids you having to walk down hallways alone. Safety tip. Okay. We finished our safety drill. We have checked into our assembly station. So let's book our theater shows. Let's do that. Let's see what we've got here. Encore, I saw that was great. Let's do Encore. We'll do the 7:30. Firm. Wow. All right, let's explore more shows. Club Disco. Club Disco is my favorite. One of my faves. Let's reserve that. Thank you. I just booked Club Disco. Pop and Soul. Oh, Total Divas was amazing. Let's explore more shows. Let's just get them all in. Oh, Live from Marieville. That was wonderful. Let's reserve it. Okay, here's someone I haven't seen. Let's see, Stacy K. Let's see. All right, so I booked all of my Broadway shows for the week. I want to go down and get a wristband. Well, we're going to get it started. I'm about to go and get a hot chocolate and Kahlua. Wink, wink. Welcome aboard.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He Climb down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh.
Hey Raymond, he's gonna be making sure these activities are going smooth and just how they're supposed to.
Hey, an amazing view behind me. We just had our sail away party. It has been fabulous so far. Oh, it's been wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I wish you were here. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this solo and have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful time.
Okay, before I give the raffle winner away, right? Does anybody remember where the future cruises are? Just lift up your hand if you remember where the future cruises. Tell me.
On the 6th floor.
Amazing! There you go. We give you a lovely bottle of champagne.
I want a bottle of champagne.
Oh, it's the same cabin number.
It's time for dinner. Join me. Well, I just got seated and I am at the Diala de Oro, which is wonderful because this is where I always tried to get in and eat on my last couple of cruises because I had different shows. So my dinner time on this particular cruise is 7:15. And so I do have a 9:30 show this evening, so we'll be able to have dinner without any stress or any rushing. And we'll catch that show at 9:30. Only you know. Well, I can say that I started without you, but I'm not going to finish without you. I've had my starting salad, it was great. I'm here in the Diala de Oro, and cheers. I didn't get to cheer you. Cheers, thank you. I'm gonna let you get the first bite. We'll see how this is. And why start new things? This is that same steak that was delicious last time. Wonderful. Hi, hey, I'm here. It's evening, it's after 7:30 and I'm still up. But it's a good thing. I'm about to go to a show at 9:30, but at dinner tonight, guess what? I met someone at dinner who's also traveling solo. Say hello to him. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Garth from Brooklyn, New York.
Awesome. I was just about to ask you where you're from. So this is a solo trip for you?
First solo trip, yep.
What do you think so far?
So far, I love it. I love it.
Wonderful.
I'm glad I came. I'm glad I decided to do it. And I'll definitely do it again.
Wonderful. Now, you are on a YouTube page that encourages people to travel solo. What do you have to say to people who are waffling and don't know whether they can go solo or not?
Oh, definitely do it. Definitely do it. Because you're the most important person in your life. So you have to take care of yourself. So
Awesome.
don't wait for somebody else to.
I know this is day one.
Yes, it is.
But what's been great so far?
The atmosphere, the people, the food was good. I'm looking forward to the rest of the trip.
Awesome. You're awesome. Thank you.
Thank you. Have fun.
My name's Neil, I'm your cruise director from England!
This song is the Christmas song, and I feel like you'll know it and do not think that that's the title of it, but Nat King Cole has done it, and Michael Bublé, Celine Dion, Christina Aguilera, like a bunch of people have done it, and this is my version, so here we go.
Well, that show was amazing. It was so great. So I've had a wonderful day. Happy first day one. So I'll see you tomorrow.